the Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new affordable smartphone in Poland called Redmi 15C. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 15C features a tall 6.9-inch HD+ display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 15C sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, along with the unspecified QVGA lens with f3.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with HyperOS 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.49 by 7.99 millimeters, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 15C has been priced in Poland at 499 Polish zloty, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue, and green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 15C smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.